Welcome back to SC Custom Designs. We went ahead and did part 2A and B, but we're at the last set of joining up the 4x4s for the bandsaw boxes. I had the whole stack on the floor. I'll show you in a minute, but I wanted to show you what this can look like when you've done a few of them, so you don't do this stuff every day. And when I did part 2, A and B, you could see that I was fumbling along the way. And so once you get a method, and things will flow a lot faster. So just know that we've got no markings on these blocks. We need to join them together. All right, so here's what I do. I put them together like so. Now I made sure that this knot, there's a big knot here, and he was on the end, and that was going to be very bad for, making the bandsaw box in its integrity. So there you go. We're going to measure 2 inches in, because if you don't measure at least 2 inches in, you're taking a chance that your biscuit is going to be too close to the edge. All right, then you're simply going to take the square, and the first set that I made, demoed how to do this. I brought out my 18-inch woodpecker square, which was a little bit overkill. I actually can use this small guy here. This is a Savage by Swanson. It's a really nice square. It has this little lip on the edge that's going to hold it up for you. Okay, so that makes it a really nice square to use. I mean, the gotchas, the be carefuls are that you just don't move your wood around when you're drawing these lines. It's going to be easy to get distracted, and then the line isn't going to be where you want it to be, where your biscuits should be. Again, it's not the end of the world with the system. All right, so he's the end. He's the end. We need to flip him over and match up the lines. No, I thought I was going to run out of biscuits, but I think we're going to just make it. Okay, so just re-verifying that the lines are going to match up. You just want to go ahead and lay the block down. Just like so. You can see that everything's going to match up. That being said, we're ready to create the cavities. All right, so it's simple as this. I'll tell you, this is the end of the trail. These are all the number 10 biscuits that I have. Let's see how we do here. Of course, you want to make sure that it's lined up. And there you go. I forgot that one. No big deal. All right, we have some to spare. Just have to remember to get some more number 10s. He was too fat, by the way. I could have sanded him down, but so that's how that went. All right, there you go. All right, let's take you out the mount there. Show you what we got. And there you have it, my friends. We have our blocks ready to be glued up. And so we're going to stop this one here. And this will be part 2C. Just wanted to show you that it can go a lot faster once you get in the swing of things. All right, look forward to part 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Losing track, aren't I?